Good morning, guys. I've been getting quite a few emails about some issues with the modules and the notes not opening. I changed some settings so that you have to go through them in order. I wanted to make sure people were watching the notes and going through and then doing the next thing and doing the next thing. Also, a side note of some issues other people have been having. I've been trying to upload everything as a PDF, so hopefully that format helps. Oh yeah, that's Kai in the background. But also try the Canvas web page instead of the app. I've been told the web page works better. So try that. If it still doesn't work, maybe I can email it to you or something, but try the web page first. Then to get into things, I took a screenshot of my Canvas page. This is biology, but it applies to integrated and zoology too. You'll go to the weekly overview. So let me get the pen going. All right. You'll go to the weekly overview. These ones will be locked. All right. In the weekly overview, when you open it, which I can't on a screenshot, sorry, right about here somewhere it says check when completed or check when done. You have to check that box and then the next thing should unlock. Some of them you have to submit an assignment. Some of them you just have to mark as finished or view them. But double check that. So first of all, double check that you're on the web page, make sure that's working. Then make sure that you're doing things in order and checking the boxes up here or submitting the assignment. So you can't just jump around and do them whatever you want to do. You need to go through them in order and you need to make sure you are doing them and then marking them as complete. So hopefully that is helpful. I will send this out to you all. Let me know if you need anything else.